This is from 3.4 5 number, maximizing the revenue. So let's try to solve this. The question is the price P in dollar and the quantity X sold of a certain product over the demand equation this. So let's write it. The demand equation is given by X equals to minus 5P plus 100. This is the demand equation. Question number A, their question is express the revenue R as a function of X, so revenue will be what? This is the first question. Now see, the price is P. If you say the price is P and the quantity is, demand is X, okay, and we know that the revenue is total quantity multiplied by the price. That means revenue will be P into X. That will be the revenue. Now X equals to, already given, X equals to this, so we'll put it here. Then P into minus 5P plus 100. This equals to minus 5P square plus 100P. So this is the revenue function or revenue. We can write actually R of P actually if you want to. Revenue as a function of P of as a function of X, R as a function of X. Oh, we have to express it in terms of X. So this function is expressed in terms of P. If you notice, so this is expressed in terms of P, but the question is expressed in terms of X. So what we will do? Is we will put the value of P to express it in terms of X. That means from here, just to clear, this is not the answer of this question. We do not have to do it. This is, let's say if the question is expressed in terms of P, then this will be the question, but they said R as a function of X. So we have to, answer has to come here X. Okay. So how can I do it? So we have to find out P equals to what. So it will be 5P equals to 100 minus X. Then P equals to 100 divided by 5 minus X divided by 5. So 100 divided by 5 means 20. 100 divided by 5 means 20 minus X divided by 5. P equals to this. Now R equals to what? R equals to P into X. So P equals to, now we have 20 minus X divided by 5 into X. This X is here, and P equals to this. We have just put it here. So it becomes 20x minus x squared divided by 5. This is in terms of X. This is in terms of X. So this is the function they are asking us. Okay, this function is now in terms of X. Our question is also find the function in terms of X. That's it. And all right, let's look at what is the revenue if 15 units are sold. We have to find out if 15 units are sold, then what will be the revenue. So B number, what is the revenue if 15 units are sold? So X is what? X is the quantity that's sold. So we have to put here R of 15. This equals to 20 into 15 minus 15 whole square divided by 5. So 20 into 15 equals to 300 minus 15 whole square equals to 225 divided by 5. So 300 minus 225 divided by 5 equals to, if I do the cancellation, this divided by this, 4 times 25, 5, 45. So this is 45 divided minus, so 300 minus 45 equals to, say, 55, equals to 255. So this dollar is the revenue for 15 units sold. What quantity X maximizes the revenue? What is the maximum revenue? Now we have to find out the maximum revenue. Now see for the C number, our function is given as R of X equals to 20x minus x square divided by 5, and you know this is actually a down opening parabola because of this minus, so we have to find out the vertex here. The formula is minus b by twice a, and minus b equals to 20, 2 into a equals to 1 by 5, a equals to 1 by 5 here in this question. So 5 will go up, and twice a is minus, so there will be minus here. Minus cancel out automatically, so this goes outside, and then 2 to 10, then 5 goes outside, so 50. So answer will be 50 here. If we do the calculation, it should give us 50. And then r of 50 equals to, this is actually the quantity. Okay, this is the quantity. This is what quantity? Revenue, maximum revenue. This is quantity. This is quantity. Then r of 50 equals to, r of 50 if I write here, then it becomes 20 into 50 minus 50 whole square divided by 5. So 20 into 50 equals to 1000. Then 50 whole square means 25, then 00 divided by 5. And then if I do it here, then it goes to 1000 minus this is 5 5s so it is 500. So the price is $500. So C number question, there is two answer. One answer is this. See, for the C number there is two answer. One answer is quantity. This is one answer. Another answer is price. There is two answer for the C number. So that's it. Now let's look at we have a space here. Okay, we have a space here. Let's use this space, this extra space here, so that the full math is one page. You can see it. What price should the company charge to maximize the revenue? This is the what quantity of expense, what is the maximum revenue, what price the company charges to maximize the revenue. And so we have to find out the price. What price? So price function is this one, p equals to this. So, and the quantity is, maximum quantity is, if you have seen this maximum quantity is 50. So what price the company should charge? See, then let's do it here. D number is what price should the company charge to maximize the revenue. So p equals to 20 minus this is 50, quantity is 50 divided by 5. So 20 minus 50 divided by 5 means 10, then this equals to 10, that means $10. So this is the $10. That means to maximize the profit, company should charge $10 each product. Then E number question is what price should the company charge to earn at least $480 revenue. So at least $480 revenue, we have to find it out. So revenue equals to, our revenue function is what price the company should the company charge to earn at least $480. Oh, now we can use this because this is price function, this is revenue function. So we'll write this value here, 480 equals to minus 5 p square plus 100 p. What price? The question is price, that's why we have to use it in the price function. So this will be 5p square minus 100p plus 480 equals to 0. Now the whole thing is divisible by 5, so p square minus, if I divide it by 5, this becomes 20, and I can try to divide it without calculator, but okay, let's try it. So this is 48 so 9 times 48 to 20, then 5, 48 to 20, so no, 30, 6 equals to 0. So we get this. Then we have to try for some middle term factoring here. So if I do middle term factoring, 96 for 96 divisible by 2, so it becomes 48 4186, yes, 48, then 2 divided by 2, then 2 4, then 2 12, then 2 6, then 2 3. Now we have to match 20. Let's see which combination is possible. 8 and 12, so 8 and 12 is possible. So p square minus, oh, let's not show you my password. Okay, all right. So if you want to see the question, this is the question. Now this is what 8 and for factoring it becomes 12 and 8. So let's put the bigger number first. This is p, right? I have to put p here. 12p minus 8p plus 96 equals to 0. Take p common, then it will be p minus 12 minus, take 8 common, it will be p minus 12 equals to 0. I should use another color here because the writing is, there is another thing here. So 12, then p minus 8 equals to 0. So from here we get p minus 12 equals to 0. That means p equals to 12. This is one answer. Another answer is p minus 8 equals to 0. So p equals to 8, another answer. That means the company should the price should be $8 to, that means the price should be from $8 to $12. So although I said this part is not necessary, but this part is necessary for e number. Okay, this part, a number answer you can start from here. A number answer you can start from this to this, a number answer. But this part is used for the e number because we cannot solve this by this. We cannot solve e number because our question question asked what price should be charged. That's why we have to go that way. There is two part here. So this is how we solve this kind of maths. And all right, I think is there anything else I should explain here? Let's recap the maths. Let's review the whole maths once again. The first question is express the revenue as a function of x. So we have to find out the revenue as a function of x are equal to p of x, and our answer has to be in terms of x. That's why we have to find out p from the given function here. We have to find it out, then we have to put it here. Now let's say if the question is express the revenue in terms of price, then this is the solution. So this is the solution because they said express it in terms of x and express it in terms of x. If they say express it in terms of p, then this is the solution. So both is here. Then their question is find out the revenue. If the quantity is revenue, if the unit is 15 units. So you have to put in the x here. 15 unit is the unit, 15 is the quantity here. So if we put and then do the calculation, then we get some revenue 255. Then next question is they said maximizing, some kind of maximizing thing. Their question is what price should company charge? What price should the company charge to maximize the revenue? Oh, that's another thing. C number is what quantity x maximizes the revenue. So we have to find out what quantity means x, so we have to solve everything from here, and then quantity is x, so we have to find out the maximum quantity and then maximum revenue. Maximum quantity is the vertex of the points, because this is the parabola, this is parabola we are solving. So from this parabola, this is the maximum quantity and this is the revenue. So if we solve this one, answer will be maximum quantity and the revenue. So we get the both answer from here. And just to be clear, if you solve this question, what you will get? If you solve this question, from this question, if you find the vertex, what you will find? You will get the maximum price, and then at the maximum price, what is the maximum revenue? So this way we will get it. And minus b by twice a, minus b by twice a, minus b by twice a, 5 divided by 20. And see, from this also, this is interesting if you want to understand. From this question also you will get this answer. If you find the vertex, you will get the same answer from this answer you will get. Anyway, this is how it works. Thank you very much. Bye bye.